That's my long-coated shepherd Lobo. Black behemoth there is my blue bay shepherd Kurgan. I believe this is clip 4, March 6th. It's a beautiful morning, probably about 8:30 or so. Come along. As you may be able to see, we got a bunch of fresh snow last night. It's still the tail end of that's coming down right now. Hiking when it's snowing or in the rain is some of my favorite time to be out. As I often say, I guess you could say I'm a fan of precipitation. I don't know, I just like the energy in the air when it's snowing and raining. For those who may ask, where is Ogren and Ulu? They're at home right now. I'll be taking them out on a hike together a little bit later on today. Sometimes I just don't want to deal with 3-4 dogs. It's a lot easier to walk 2 down here. So I take them out in pairs. Just because you don't happen to see a dog in a particular video doesn't mean it's not getting walked. I only film a very small percentage of the walks we do. If I filmed them all, I would have way more footage than I could ever upload online that people would want to watch. My hiking videos are usually my least popular videos on the channel. They're my favorite ones to film, but it's the feeding videos by far that I think most people subscribe to. And I'll keep those coming too. Hooah. In fact, I might shoot a couple of those later on today. And for those who may wonder why I make the music videos, I do that, they're basically free advertisements for my channel. You know, you put some popular music on some videos that people might be searching for, and even though you can't monetize that video, people who find that video and watch it are people who wouldn't normally be exposed to your channel that might then subscribe to it. That's a little tip to some of you other YouTubers trying to grow your channel. Again, you can't monetize those videos, but they're basically a free commercial on YouTube for your channel. And if you use popular music that people are going to search for, it's like a commercial for you. Again, just a tip from me to you. That's why I do it. It seems to work. It helps grow my channel. Too many YouTubers out there with a lot of subscribers don't want to help the smaller YouTubers. I found that kind of frustrating when I first started out, and so I've helped a lot of you guys out there who follow my channel, Bonnie, Dale, and others, and anyone else looking for tips. I'm happy to pass them along. There's enough views for all of us, and this is just my hobby. Well, I tell you what, you get a hell of a workout trudging through all this snow for an hour and a half. Ooh. Slippery. Kurgan. Thank you. All right, go on. We did the panting. I was asleep, climb up. He's watching some people walking through the valley down there. Another steep walk. This is where I pound my chest and make Tarzan noises. Well, I'm going to wind this video out here. If you made it this far, thanks for coming along. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and thanks to all those who've been supporting my channel along the way. That's all. Bye. Bye from Mr. Kurgan and Mr. Lobo.